Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my monthly grocery shopping and the tips and tricks that I use to save money on grocery. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, kindly subscribe for more. And guys, let's get started. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you what I shopped for this month. Yeah, and this is what I shopped. Yeah, so I would encourage everyone to write a shopping list, and before you start writing a shopping list, kindly confirm what you have in the house so that you can't buy it twice, and also check your fridge to confirm what is in there. So after confirming what you already have and what you don't have, that's when you write your shopping list, and this will help you not to buy things twice and also avoid wastage of food, and this will save you a lot of money. And remember to stick on the list. I know writing the shopping list can be easier, but sticking to it can be hard. So I would encourage you to please write a shopping list and stick to it. The next tip is tip number 2, which is eat out less. Yeah, so I would encourage that you start eating more at home rather than ordering food or eating out every now and then. You will find that if you are eating out more, you will be spending a lot of money when you are eating out as compared to when you are cooking homemade food. So if you want to save money, consider cooking more oftenly at home. And if you have to eat out, you can eat out once in a month, yeah, and that way you'll be able to save money. Tip number 3 is go for items that have offers, yeah. So going for items that are on sale or have offers will help you save money. Like for example, you are buying, let's say toilet paper, you'll find that some have offers like buy 10 pieces get 2 extra, with less price compared to when you are buying 10 pieces. So I would encourage that you go for such offers. They will help you save money, And also with those offers that come with buy one get one free, those will also save you money because you will be buying two 2 items at price for 1. So I would encourage that you go for offers. Don't let those offers go. Yeah, so consider going for offers when it comes to buying items. So tip number 4 is stop being loyal to brands, but rather be loyal to your pockets. You'll find that some brands are more expensive than the others and they are still selling the same thing. So if you want to save money, since they are selling the same thing, I would advise that you go for the brand that has an item at a lower price, and that way you will be able to save a lot of money. Yeah. Tip number 5 is don't shop while you're hungry. Yeah, so if you have decided that you are going for shopping, make sure that you eat back at home before going for shopping. Yeah, so this will help you reduce your spending, because if you go shopping when you're hungry, you'll find that you are going to buy most of the snacks so that you can keep yourself full, and this will lead to you spending a lot more than you expect, than your budget, and you not sticking to your budget will also ruin your budget that you had set. So I would advise that you eat before going for shopping. Tip number 6 is shop at the market or a wholesale shop rather than shopping at a supermarket. Yeah, so for me, when I'm shopping for veggies, grains, yeah, I always get them at the market because they are cheap. You'll find the tomatoes are cheap, the onions, you will find them in the market at a very cheaper price as compared to the supermarket, which are very expensive. So if you are planning to save money, I will advise that you shop your veggies. Yeah, you shop your veggies mostly at your local market, and also you'll find that when you're shopping them at the local market, you are probably going to get some offers there. Yeah. And also another reason as to why I like shopping at the market when it comes to veggies, you'll find that you'll get them very fresh from the farm. And also shopping at the wholesale will help you save money because you are able to negotiate with the shopkeeper on the prices of the items compared to the supermarket where the prices are fixed and you cannot negotiate. So if you are up to saving some coins, I would advise that some of your grocery shopping, you do it at your local market, and also do some shopping in wholesale shops. Yeah. Tip number 7 is buy in bulk. Yeah, so when you are shopping for your grocery, I would encourage that you buy in bulk, and buy in bulk will save you a lot of money. Yeah, so in our case, we always buy groceries that will last us for a whole month, and buying in that manner help us save money rather than just going outside and buy one by one, which is very costly. Yeah, so consider buying your groceries in bulk if you want to save a lot of money. Yeah. The next tip, which is tip number 8, is have a meal plan. Yeah, so having a food timetable will help you save a lot of money. So for example, if you have a food timetable for a whole month, you are going to know, you'll know what your family is going to have for that entire period of time, and this will help you plan for what you're going to shop for that entire month and cut expenses on the things that you don't need. Yeah, so having a meal plan will be helpful in saving money, and also it will help save you from the stress that comes when you are deciding what to cook for your family. Yeah, so if you want to save money, I would advise that you go for having a meal plan in your family. Tip number 9 is get other options for meat. Yeah, so as you know, meat is very expensive for eating day in, day out. So if you want to save money, I would advise that you get other options that are still proteins and you can get at a cheaper price, Like for example, you can buy eggs. You can also shop for beans. You can also shop for lentils because they are also proteins. So I would advise that if you want to save some coins, you can consider having other proteins options rather than having meat day in, day out. Number 9 is buy what is in the season. So this mostly the fruits, yeah. You'll find that some fruits come in seasons, yes. For example, if it's mango season, I would advise that you buy such fruits, and that will help you save money in the sense that you don't have to go for much expensive fruits which are not in the market at the moment, but go for the ones which are in the season, because when the fruits are in the season, it means that they are very cheap. You're going to get them at a very cheaper price. So if you want to save some coins, buy foods during their seasons. Yeah. Tip number 11 is use leftovers. So if you have some of the food leftovers in your fridge, I would advise that you eat that food, yeah, rather than throwing it away. And this will help you save a lot of money, because you throwing the food, it means that that's food wastage, and with food wastage comes money wastage. So if you want to save money, I would advise eat the leftovers that you already have than throwing them away. Yeah. So that was my monthly grocery shopping and the tips that I use to save money. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. And bye guys, see you in the next video.